A lampshade is a fixture that covers the light bulb on a lamp to diffuse the light it emits. Conical, cylindrical and other forms on floor, desk or tabletop mounted as well as suspended lamp models are the most common and are made in a wide range of materials. The term can also apply to the glass hung under many designs of ceiling lamp. Beyond its practical purpose, significant emphasis is also usually given to decorative and aesthetic features. History. In the late 17th century in Paris, the first public lanterns made their appearance in the center of the streets. They lit the road during the night. In 1763, the reverbers made their appearance. These were oil lamps with reflectors which were hung above the center of streets. The first public oil lamps in Milan, financed by revenues from a lottery, date from 1785. These were lanterns containing an oil lamp with a number of wicks. A semi-spherical reflector above the flame projected the light downwards, while another reflector, slightly concave and near the flame, served to direct the light laterally. Friedrich Albert Windsor first had the idea of industrializing lighting by producing gas in a factory and distributing it through pipeline. In the first decades of the 19th century, competing gas companies laid the first gas mains in major cities, but there were fears of explosion and toxicity. The flame fed by the gas coming out of the nozzle was intense, uniform and adjustable, white and brilliant instead of the reddish or orange of oil lamps or candles. The drawbacks of gas lighting were overheating of the air and extremely high oxygen consumption, making it necessary to ventilate the room or isolate the flame by separating the room where the combustion took place from the room being lit. Theater audiences regularly suffered from headaches, and the sulfur and ammonia formed during combustion of the gas ruined furniture. Gas light had to be filtered by opal glass or light fabric shades. Lampshades were no longer used to direct the light but to attenuate it. In 1879, Joseph Swan and Thomas Edison independently developed, combining and perfecting existing elements deriving from the research of Humphrey Davy, de Molina and Goebel, the incandescent filament electric light bulb. To disguise the intense electric light, lampshades were used. Some were made by Tiffany and colored glass. The great advantage of the electric light bulb was the absence of flame and traces of combustion, thus avoiding all risks of intoxication, explosion of fire. In the beginning, the filament was made of carbonized vegetable fibers, then bamboo fibers and finally metal alloys until, in the early 20th century, the tungsten filament invented in 1904 became established. Lampshade types. Modern lampshades can be classified by shape, by material, by fitter, or by function. Shades by shape. Lampshades are classified in four basic shapes: drum, empire, bell, or coulis depending on the shape. Beyond the basics, lampshade shapes also include square, cut corner, hexagon, gallery, oval, or scalloped shapes. Lampshades by material. Lampshades are made of fabric, parchment, glass, Tiffany glass, or plastic. Common fabric materials include silk, linen, cotton, or even paper. Fabric shades are reinforced by metal frames to give the lampshades their shape, while paper shades can hold their shape without support. For this reason, paper shades can be more fragile than fabric shades. Darker shades sometimes add a reflective line of such as gold or silver in order to maximize light output. Lampshade fitters. A fitter describes how the lampshade connects to the lamp base. The most common lampshade fitter is a spider fitter. Spider fitters are set on top of a lamp harp and secured with a finial. Other fitters include clip-on, Uno, a notched bowl fitter,